To everyone who's keeping Rosa right now, Mubarak, Eid Mubarak from now because very excited to go to Malaysia. Been there for a shoot before. Um, this is a special reason to be there in Malaysia. It's Saima, been part of Saima from the day it was born. I feel a special connection with it. It's a beautiful synergy where it brings all the South Indian films together. Lovely time to meet all your friends from different industries. Great time to know what's going on in different films, from different industries. And it's a lovely marriage to bring all the South Indian industries together. I congratulate Saima for doing it so well. And this time all over again in Malaysia. I feel South Indian films are doing wonderful business, are doing wonderful, and it's time that we make it international. When you do an award like this in a different country abroad, you take your films internationally. People get to know about your films. There's a wider audience that understand your cinema. South Indian films are seen by everyone, everywhere in the world. A lot of times when I'm traveling abroad, I meet cab drivers from different countries all together, and they talk about our films and they talk about our actors, and my heart is filled with pride at that moment.
We're glad to be associated with Saima simply because of the fact that it fits in beautifully with our entire marketing piece. As far as Micromax is concerned, the journey for us in the last 19 months has been stupendous. From 1.1 million handsets a month, we've shot to a run rate of almost 3.2 million handsets a month. 3.2 million is a lot. It's 32 lakh handsets every month, and that's a lot. As far as the strategy goes, it's all about MMS. It's all about music, movies, and sports. That's where our lead spends go into. We're happy to partner with Saima over here. Thanks to Vishnu and Ronak. You guys hit the button at the right time. After the Micromax Color Screen Awards, which was meant for the Bollywood industry, I think Saima is again truly a global platform which has a lot of meaning because with an industry size of almost $500 million, which is your entire South industry for movies, I think it's a great avenue for Micromax to be part of this.
There you go, Saima, South Indian International Movie Awards. సో అందరికీ నమస్కారం ఎల్లరికూ వణకం అంటే బ్యాలెన్స్ రెండు భాషలు నాకు పెద్దగా రావు సో మాట్లాడిన అందులో సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఐ హోస్టెడ్ సైమా లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఐ పార్టీడ్ ఇన్ సైమా ద ఇయర్ బిఫోర్ దట్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ హోస్టింగ్ అగైన్ సో ఫస్ట్లీ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు కంగ్రాచులేట్ విష్ణు అండ్ ఈస్ బిన్ కాన్స్టెంట్లీ డ్రైవింగ్ దిస్ అండ్ డ్రైవింగ్ ఇట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్లీ బెటర్ అండ్ బెటర్ ఈచ్ ఇయర్ తెలుగు సినిమాలు కానీ సౌత్ ఇండియన్ సినిమాలు కానీ ఒక అంతర్జాతీయ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీద ఉండాలంటే Saima అనేది ఒక పెద్ద మెట్టు సో ఐఎమ్ వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ దట్ ఐమ్ అసోసియేటెడ్ విత్ దిస్ ఈవెంట్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ హియర్ టు డూ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్ మీ టు థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్
ఇండియన్ సినిమా అంటే హిందీ బాలీవుడ్ సినిమాలకి చాలా అవార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి సో దే హ్యావ్ బిగ్గర్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ టు సెలబ్రేట్ దేర్ జర్నీ బట్ వెన్ విష్ణు ఇన్వెంటెడ్ దిస్ ప్రాపర్టీ అండ్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ టు cater to all South Indian languages, ఫస్ట్ వీఆర్ లిటిల్ బిట్ స్కెప్టికల్ అంటే ఇది అందరు అప్రిషియేట్ చేస్తారా ఎలా జరుగుతుందో ఏంటో అన్న కొంత స్కెప్టికల్ థింకింగ్ ఉండింది బట్ ఎవ్రీబడి యాక్సెప్టెడ్ దిస్ ప్రాపర్టీ వెరీ వెల్ అండ్ సెకండ్ ఎడిషన్ దుబాయ్లో జరిగిన తర్వాత దిస్ ఇయర్ వీఆర్ హోస్టింగ్ ఇన్ మలేషియా అండ్ వీఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు ఇట్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ మైక్రోమాక్స్ askme.com for associating with this mega event. Thank you all.
I think without Vishnu, with tiresome of working with us, dealing with us to choose Malaysia as a venue for Saima 2014. We have mega few trips and a lot of hesitations initially to choose Malaysia. But I think I'm very glad with all the supports that we have and the assurance from the government to support the Saima for 2014. We are not only looking at its 1 year associations, if everything goes well, maybe for 2015 and onwards. And we also discussing with Miss Shiria. She said she's going to choose Malaysia as a venue for a coming birthday. Yeah? And there will be an island where she's going to do a scuba diving. And we are more than glad to host her. Thank you.
Everybody. SIMA successfully has completed its first 2 editions in the Middle East, and we're all set to take off with our 3rd edition in Malaysia. And I'd really like to thank Mr. Tony and the Malaysian Tourism for partnering with us and being our tourism partner. And welcome Micromax into the SIMA family. And like you said, it's going to go on. And thank you Rana and Shreya. They've always been a part of us. They're like SIMA family now. South Indians are spread wide across the globe, but if you see the revenues that we generate are far less from the industry. At SIMA, our motto is to promote South Indian cinema worldwide and also to take our South Indian stars closer to their favorite people. Thank you so much.